Design thinkers are always developing a new way to make design process more effective and more useful. Interdisciplinary thinking is one of these improvements. This term, interdisciplinary design, is a new approach which design thinkers use this day. Interdisciplinary design means the process of solving problems through overlapping multidisciplines in one process. For example, one of the most important agencies that adopted the idea of the interdisciplinary design thinking is IDEO. They designed many different products from different areas: packaging, computer and communication products, energy solution, sport product, medical product, etc. Tim Brown, the COO of IDEO, said, "It's common now to see designers working with psychologists, engineers, scientists, marketing and business experts, writer and filmmaker. All of these disciplines and many more have long contributed to the development of new products and service. But today we are bringing them together with the same team in the same space and using the same process. There is no just one way to produce a good design, but there is a good start point." IDEO, as an example, they have proved how important to use interdisciplinary design as a thinking approach, and I think this is a good start point.